Hey guys, it's Molly. I am here today to do a quick first impressions little review of the Zodiac Love Signs palette by BH Cosmetics. I received this for Christmas and I've been dying to just dive right in. And it's already January 9th, so I've been waiting patiently to go ahead and give these a try. I have the first Zodiac palette by BH Cosmetics and I love it. The mattes are amazing. They blend out really well. The shimmers have a huge pigment payoff. They're beautiful. So I have really high hopes for this palette. I think it's going to be really good. But I'm going to try not to let that sway my overall opinion of it. So anyway, I'm kind of rambling, but all I've done is I've swatched it. So this is what the palette looks like. This here are mattes. This in the center is like a highlight shade, and then around the outside it's the a baked shimmer formula. So for my look today, I'm gonna go pretty neutral because I am going to work this morning. So as much as I want to play with this purple and these blues, I'm not going to yet. So, yeah, I guess we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. And I've already primed my lids with the Ulta eye primer. Let me see if I can find it. You're gonna see this in every video. I love this. And I don't have multiple eye primers. This is what I got. I don't think I'm ever going to be into having multiple eye primers. It's just kind of, no. So, and I didn't mention it's got a mirror. I'm sure that you see that. So for my transition shade, I think I want to go a little bit more, a little bit on the cool tone side. So I am going to take this, it looks like a kind of neutral, no, cool toned, dusty rose, I guess. So we're gonna go into that with a big fluffy brush. And then I'm gonna try not to cover my face. Okay, that's actually like way more pigmented than I thought it would be. So I am gonna go into this white shade next to it and see if I can kind of blend some of that out. There. That lightened it up just enough so that it's not like really overwhelming. And these mattes are performing just like the original palette, which is awesome. That gives me a lot of hope. I know sometimes companies will change their formula, like they'll have a hit product and then they'll change their formula and bring out another like companion palette to the original, and I don't ever understand why people do that. It drives me nuts. Okay, I gotta do some swatches to see. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what color would work well with that one, or if any. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna take this. This is it's like a darker brown shade. On my Moda Pro brush, just on the tip, and we're going to deepen up the outer V. It's maybe a little bit more intense than what I was going for, but that is fine. So just know these are pigmented. A little bit goes a long way, but they're also really blendable. So I know sometimes, so I'm going back into that light creamy white shade and then back into that dusty rose shade. I wish that they had the shade names. They don't, and that's too bad, but I'll survive. Okay, and then for the lid shade, I think I'm gonna do a couple of swatches, because I honestly don't know. Oh, that's not swatching very well. The shade Scorpio, I assume that's what it is. It's fine. It's like a baby pink though, and I don't want that on my lid today. So this is the shade Libra. This is Scorpio. This is Virgo. That's not gonna work. No, that's way too orange. And we're going cool tones, so we're not doing that. Oh, okay, Pisces. Oh, it's a beautiful like olivey bronze color. I love that, but I'm not gonna do it. I could do it. Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I'm taking that on a flat shader brush. I normally wet my brush, but I didn't bring any setting spray upstairs, so we're not wetting our brush today. Oh my gosh, but you don't even need it. They perform really, really well. Oh, I was sitting here about to do the other side, but I'm not doing the other side on camera. Okay. I'm gonna clean off my brush. And then I'm gonna go into Libra here. So I took Pisces on the lid already, and then I'm gonna take Libra. It's another like cooler tone, but lighter shimmer, and I'm taking this on the inner corner and blending that in to Pisces. Okay? And I think I'm gonna take my finger because that is one of my favorite tools for shimmers. Okay, then I'm gonna go back into that fluffy brush and I'm just going to kind of blend that all out. I feel like this is really pretty. Now I'm just gonna pop off and do the other side off camera to save time so this video isn't super, super long. So I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. For the rest of my face, I just put the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer on. I skipped foundation today. I don't know, didn't feel like doing it. Blush is Milani Powder Blush in Tea Rose. Bronzer is Too Faced Sweethearts Bronzer in Sweet Tea. And then my contour is my Busted Up Wet n Wild Make It Glow contouring palette in Dolce de Leche. Okay, looks a little nuts. Now I'm gonna do the bottom lash line. So to do that, I always use the same tool, so I don't know that I'll continually tell you, but I will for this one. Oh, okay. Sorry, I can be super awkward. Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush. Comes in a pack. A kit, I guess. And then, I don't want to blind you guys. So then I'm going to go back into the same shade that we did up top. And I'm buffing this along my lower lash line. Starting in the outer V and coming in, okay? That way most of the pigment's over there. I really like how these mattes are blending. I like how pigmented they are. Obviously, we don't know how well it's gonna wear throughout the day, so that's something that I can update you guys in like a monthly favorites. I don't know if I'll do it like that or if I'll do like a dedicated review to this palette. I haven't really decided how I'm gonna handle those sorts of things. Because I kind of like watching first impressions. I know that they're not super helpful, but I think that they're kind of, I don't know, they're just kind of fun, I guess. Okay, so that's that. And then I think I am going to, I'm taking a flat shader brush and I'm going back into this dark, it's more like a purpley plum sort of shade. I don't know. It's good for definition. I do wish that this palette had more of a range. You know, we've got 3 oranges and 3 pinks, 4 pinks. I think they could have done more with the shimmers, honestly. But, you know, also if you have the original one, maybe you don't need more shimmer, I guess. I think you always need more shimmer. I'm a big shimmer fan. I'm gonna be really sad when I get like really old and my lids are super textured and it's not like attractive with shimmer on them, but I'll probably still wear it. Okay, I do want to do this. I want to do this. I'm gonna use Sagittarius. I'm just taking it on my little ring finger, my ring finger. I'm gonna pop that just on the outer V. Kind of blend it around with my finger, and it totally needs to be blended, at least on this side. All right, so we got a little out of hand. Let's be honest. Got a little crazy here. It's not really a work appropriate look, but I think my coworkers all get it. They know. They're like, oh, that's just Molly with her makeup, doing her makeup thing. Okay. And last step, no, that's not true. The last thing I'm gonna do here is I think I'm gonna use this highlight shade on my inner corner. Like, it's pretty. I don't know that I would use it on my face, but I think it'll be good for an inner corner highlight. So I always use my ring finger. Just gonna, whoa, man. Whoa. Oh, that's a lot. That's intense, but pretty. So maybe a brush would have been a better option. Maybe I should figure out, maybe I should buy a brush that would work for this. Huh. Screw it. I'm taking this on my lid. Ooh. Sometimes you just go overboard. It's like gambling. You should stop when you're ahead. I'm gonna try and tone that down a smidge. Okay. I've already sprayed my face. I did use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray. I really like that. The sprayer on it kind of sucks, not gonna lie. But, I mean, I feel okay using it. There's no alcohol in it. It seems to be ingredients that are okay. I actually haven't researched that, so don't listen to me. For mascara, Too Faced. Better Than Sex. Because that's what I always use. I don't know if my eyes are just going bad or what, but I feel like I hold everything super close now. Like, I'll hold my phone this close to my face, and that's ridiculous. Oh, got it on my nose. No big deal. In a hurry. Got to get to my real job. Can't just play YouTube all day. That's what I feel like. I feel like I'm playing YouTube. Like a little girl playing house. And, you know, I don't know why I feel that way. Okay, and that's the finished eye look. I really, really like this palette, you guys. I'm excited to use it more. I'm excited to play with some of those other colors, like on a Saturday when I can be a little more out there with my eye looks. I will insert some swatches so that you guys can see those if you haven't already seen them somewhere else. And yeah, I hope that you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next video. Wow, that was like the quintessential YouTuber thing to say. See? I don't know what to say for an outro. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. I don't know. Bye.